Welcome to my channel. So again, it's me, RV, and for today's video, I'm going to do a very quick vlog about unboxing my new phone, the Samsung S22. So just a very quick vlog because I'm using someone else's phone. I can't use my phone anymore, that's why I bought a new one. So here we are. I just bought this today. And I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of this. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Fresh from the plastic, from the cellophane. Okay, so here we are. I mean, here you go. Ano ba? S22, Samsung S22. You can't see it because it's dark. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen because I just need to do the quick vlog. And it's still sealed. So, hindi sila pwedeng humindi. Pag halimbawa, ibalik ko to na may defect kasi nakuha ko siyang seal. Okay? So, let's open it. I want to make this video very quick. Wala man lang siyang plastic. Usually kasi pag phone, merong cellophane, yung tight na plastic around it, around the box. And it's so thin, I'm almost afraid that it doesn't have like a charger. Kasi usually yung phone ngayon, wala na masyadong accessories. I'm expecting wala na tong earbuds or headphone, whatever. Kasi ganun na yung mga phone ngayon. They don't have, kailangan you have to buy it separately na. Parang sa Apple. Yung AirPods. The phone doesn't come with headphone anymore or earbuds. It's okay, pero siguro naman yung charger, it has a charger. And I hope na merong plug kahit manipis siya. Wait lang, ang tagal. Ayun. But surely this is a charger. Cable and hopefully pati yung plug. Bear with me guys, this is a no editing video kasi ayoko na mag-edit. Ang tigas niya. Sealed nga siya. Okay, so here you go. Sana walang pumasok. Okay, there you go. Yan, may plastic pa siya. Ang liit niya. Mas maliit siya kaysa dito sa old phone ko. Oops, yung shower. Okay. You guys are the first one to see it. This is the Samsung S22. Look. And with this phone, ito yung mga contents niya. Meron siyang, yun lang laman niya. Oh my gosh. Kaya napakanipis. Wala na. Foam lang siya. Okay, so ito lang. Yung pin, pang dock or pang pin ng when you're trying to like maybe put the SIM card or something. I believe wala tong memory card slot, so oh my gosh, I don't know how to open this, but I guess I have to break it so I can open it. There we go. Okay, ayan, may cable siya. May guide siya, manual. The cable is kaya ang nipis kasi and then I don't know what these are. Iba-ibang language siguro to. Hindi ko maintindihan. I think this is not Italian, although we're in Italy, so I bought this from here in Milan. The pin for like, ano ba yung English ng dok-dok? When you are trying to like open the SIM card slot. So, unfortunately, wala siya ng plug. Cable lang talaga. Plug to ng cellphone ko. So, I have to use a different plug every time I have to use it kasi, ganun. So, cable na lang pala ngayon ang kasama ng phone. Bahala ka na sa plug. So, this is the phone. Ayoko munang tanggalin to kasi wala akong plastic or screen protector. And this is for, I don't know. May case din siya sa likod. At may chip siya sa likod, oh. Tanggalin ko na ba? Wag muna. So, ayun lang. That's the quick unboxing for my new phone. Try natin i-on pala kung ano yung itsura niya. Natakot ako i-touch siya kasi yung fingerprint, wala pa siyang screen protector. Okay, there you go. So, yun lang laman niya. Ayan. The cable, papel, and all other papers. Very simple, right? Wala na. Ano nakasulat? Bimbindo. Iba-ibang language. Dobro dosli. So it should be buongiorno for Italian. Welcome, English. Start. Benvenuti. Dapat pala English. Wait lang. 6 minutes na. Bilis. Oh boy. So I have to wait for the English. Where is it? Is it coming back? Okay guys, so just FYI, I don't really want to buy a phone because I don't want to spend money. However, if you know me, I have been having problems with my phone or with my memory for years already, for a year or more. Kasi palaging walang memory tong phone ko. Kasi 64 GB lang to. So, wala na akong magawa kasi hindi ko na siya nagagamit ni mag-take ng new picture or video. Wala na, punong-puno na. So, I had to buy a new one. At syempre, dalawa lang naman ang requirement ko. Dapat maganda camera, tsaka yung memory niya at least 128. So, 128 gig to. And, yun, okay na ako doon. Namamahalan ako, pero pwede na. Kasi kailangan ko na talaga ng new phone. So, that is all. I bought this fresh from, wala pa rin yung English, Mediaworld. Ayun, English, start. Okay, English, United States. Tama ba? Next. I agree to, hindi ko na ipapakita yan. Basta yan yung pag-setup na. I bought this from Mediaworld just earlier. I'm hoping to upload this vlog ngayon din kasi nakiram lang ako ng phone. And actually, nung binigay to sa akin, binigay lang yung box. Tsaka yung parang resibo nung bayan. Yun lang. And I'm like, okay na daw, ganun. So before I go, I actually had to go back to the cashier, to the casa, and ask for like a saketto. Kasi lang naman hawak-hawak ko lang to. Ano ba naman yan? Pag bibili, at least dapat may cellophane. Kung hindi pa ako hindi pa ako bibigyan. So that is all for now. 8 minutes na ang haba. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So I think I'm going to have a better quality when it comes to my camera when I use this na. Kasi this has better camera than my old Xiaomi phone. That is all. Ciao. Arrivederci.